हेलो बच्चों, हाउ आर यू? टुडे हम लोग सीखेंगे सिक्स शेप्स. You can see six shapes are available. Now we are introduce the colors. First you can see white colors. First are white colors. You can see the colors. Please tell me the name. Burnt sienna, yellow color, red color. बच्चों repeat with me. Red color, blue color. Sorry, it's green color. Sky blue color. बच्चों चलो start with us. First you can see this shape's name is triangle because you can see the three line. 1 2 3. बच्चों triangle, this shape's name is triangle. Repeat with me बच्चों. Triangle. The number of line is 3. Triangle. Wow. Smile. Triangle. बच्चों its name is star. Try to art with me बच्चों. Star. Its name is star. बच्चों star. Wow. Star. Circle. बच्चों its name is circle. Draw with me बच्चों. Circle. बच्चों its name is rectangular. The 4 line is name is rectangular. Wow. Rectangular. It's square. Four line is equal, so its name is square. बच्चों its name is square. Wow. 5. 5 line is available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its name is hexagon. Bachcho, repeat with me. It's hexagon. Draw with me, bachcho. Draw with me. Thank you, bachcho. Straight me. Repeat with us. First, its name is triangle, star, circle, rectangular, square, hexagon. Thanks for watching, bachcho.